Hello everyone. Let us understand about operations scheduling in this session. So whenever we involved in a field called as operations line, obviously scheduling plays an important role. Okay. So without proper scheduling that you plan for your business, especially in this operationals, manufacturing line, definitely getting through the different processes or delivering the products to the customers, everything will be quite difficult. Okay. So, what is this scheduling first? So, it is the process of arranging, controlling, and optimizing the work and even workloads. Okay. So, you're just noting down like where, when, how. Okay. So, all certain things you're just pre-planned everything in a proper way so that that scheduling helps you to do the operations in a proper way. Okay, say for example, Monday and Tuesday, this is what the work which is allocated. Okay, purchasing of raw materials, fine. And Wednesday, this is what the work, and we are doing some assembly process. Okay, and next is what it is going to the next day to R&D department, and next 2 days it is for dispatching. Product is we are getting ready for delivery. So this is what the thing like how you are planning. Okay, you're scheduling your products. Okay, so scheduling, it is like it designs and it is what clearly sticking like how this is my schedule. So every people working inside the manufacturing sector, definitely if they stick to this proper schedule, production at any cost it is not going to be stopped. Okay. So yes, manufacturing or engineering line. So everywhere you can able to see a proper scheduling chart, or or in a board they just mention the all the scheduling process what they are going to do for today or morning. Even on time basis also they will mention all certain things. Okay, so which staff is going to perform which duty and when it is going to dispatch all every details. Okay, so it is what clearly mentioned, and that is actually scheduling. So objectives of scheduling like making efficient use of the labor, that is true actually. Okay, so you as a boss you cannot feel that so this labor like he's not performing good, or he's not getting enough work inside the organization. Definitely you cannot able to feel like that. So being as a boss, being as an owner of the organization, definitely every labor can able to work their own responsibilities, roles and responsibilities in their area. Because of this, if you are doing this scheduling process. Okay, and next is making best possible use of the equipments that are available. Yes, you're just applying everything, you're just utilizing everything, all kind of resources, equipments. Okay, and next is increasing the profit. If scheduling like you are just pre-planned and performing in the same way, correct order, definitely your profit will get increased. Obviously output also tends to increase. And next one, service level. Okay, from the customer side will be increased, and then maximizing the delivery performance, that is you're just meeting the delivery dates. So which date that you promised to your customer, so that the product will be delivered so and so date, definitely you can able to do that. Okay, so next one, minimizing the inventories. Like you need not to stock all the raw materials on in a warehouse without using it. Okay, warehousing cost, holding cost, you need to do, you need to spend. Okay, so that will be minimized. And next is reducing the manufacturing time also, and all kind of production costs will get minimized. And next is workers cost. So see, because of this one and only operational scheduling that you are performing, so many benefits that you can able to get inside the business organization. And next is functions of operational scheduling, like yes, allocation of resources, and then shop floor control. Okay, there might be different flows, right? So this specific unit or this specific plant can be controlled because already it is what scheduled there. Okay, so that workflow without any interruption, it keeps on happening. Okay, and next is making maximum use of the plant. Okay, that is the unit. Okay, so without any interruptions, without any disturbances, with minimum cost. And next is the needs of the manpower also, it is very optimum, that is very clear. So sequence of jobs where you can very clear in that, and then start and the end time also, it is clearly, you just did everything and just working on the same flow. And then quick feedback also you can able to get. Okay, so without any delays or interruptions. And next is process up like to up to date information where till to till today evening 4, today evening 5. So what was the work which was happening, which was happened. Okay, all certain things. So regarding machines also, like from this machine, from this equipment, so this much amount of products has been manufactured. Okay, so it is what getting breakdown, and this is on the service needs to be serviced. So some problem is what happening there. So all certain things like keep itself abreast of the hiring, dismissals, holidays, etc. of the workforce. So this simple operation scheduling, actually planning and preparing and working on the same flows, even though it looks like difficult, but once it is happening, like all the different benefits where we can able to enjoy. Okay, thank you.